everybody, it's Jilly from Bow Wow's Dog Services, and today is cleaning day. So I thought that I would make a video about how I clean all my tools, and I'm going to do my best to make it one that, you know, doesn't take too long. I'll try and speed it up in places. So here we go, because I can't turn my camera around. There's no button. Anyway, all right, hold on. Okay, so I have a digital ultrasonic cleaner, and it actually, can you see it? It's got a heater. So I already prepared the water, and I use warm water and like a cap full, a little bit more barbicide, and I fill it to the max. And mine came with a basket, which is freaking awesome. So what I'm gonna do first are my blades. So I just dump them all in there, and I guess I'll show you. All right, check it out. See the dirt and all that? All right, and all the hair. So my 30s. I didn't use that one. My 30s may not be. No, I did use my 30s, so that's good. See, I have this little thing I got from the Container Store. So I put all of my, that's how I store my blades. Yeah, look at that. All right. So putting everything in. All right, so now take my cover, and I put it on the longest setting, so temperature control. That red light means that it's hot, and then I set it to the highest. Yep, you can do 90. I go to 480 in terms of seconds, and then on. All right, so in there, everything is already starting to lift just because it got wet, but wait till you see this after we're done. Okay, so I use my little rinky-dink dryer, and remember they just came out of the solution, the barbicide in the ultrasonic cleaner. All right, so this is what I do. As soon as they come out, take them, blow them all out. So after I've blown them out, I turn them upside down this way. I've that facing up, all right, the part that attaches to your clipper. I line them all up, sort of, and I take my Andis clipper oil, okay, and I put, like you're supposed to, a dot, make sure you can see, a dot here, a dot there, and on the middle, I do a run when I'm doing my cleaning. All right, so along the blade, I do that run. I do one here and one there. Okay, so I do the run, dot, dot. I do this to all of them. Phil Collins in the background. Okay. And I know this seems like a lot, but this is what I found works for me. May not work for you. you might have a different method, but for new groomers, you know, the person that taught me this was Rose from Rose and Friends Pet Care. You can find her on Instagram, Rose and Friends Pet Care. She is amazing, and she did a video on Instagram about her cleaning process, and that's why I got the ultrasonic cleaner as well. So, you know, she does hers maybe a little bit differently, but pretty much I'm following her, but I do this every other day. And so I put my blade on my clipper, my Pulsiar, and I don't know why that just happened, that was weird. So I run them for about 10 seconds, okay? Making sure the oil is getting in there. But remember, I have a lot of oil, so I keep it facing down. You might even be able to hear a difference in the blades from when I start, from when the oil gets in there from the motor. Like that last blade, I heard it go, wow. I need to change the drive on my Pulsiar. Maybe I'll do that next. Right? Taking care of your tools. So whatever blades I use during the week, I put in a separate, you know, usually a separate drawer. If I don't get to do them every other day, but I really do try. It's important to take care of your things. As a new groomer, because I've only been grooming a little over a year, and I've just learned that the only way to groom better is to have quality tools. And I know there are things out there that are more affordable, like than this clipper, or you know, there are less expensive brushes than like the Arturo flexible slicker brushes, but I love them. And I've tried, you know, the less expensive route, especially when I first opened, because I just didn't have that much money, and I didn't know what I needed. So now I understand the value of why it's so expensive, because we are not just dog groomers. We are artists, we are creative, and it's important that you buy the best quality because it will last you. And I just, you know, I just bought my force dryer that I had, somebody gifted it to me, one of my clients. It was a Master Equipment 4 horsepower, and it just totally crapped out on me yesterday in the middle of drying a Bourbon Suisse, a White Shepherd. And oh my God, so it freaked me out. And so I just went and the money that I've been saving for Hershey, I had to dip into it, and I bought the K9 3 variable speed. It's amazing, and I can't complain. I'm so glad I did it, because now my groom times are going to be faster. It's going to take care of their skin better, all of the things. So now that I've run all my blades on my clipper, I have them again, as you can see, laid out, and then I blow them out too, some of the excess oil, because I use a lot when I clean. So then my rag, my towel has oil on it, but also has the barbicide. So I take a little soft towel, I take some of the clipper oil, and then I polish them up. Nice and shiny. A little OCD. Because I find if I don't do that, for me personally, and maybe it's because I'm using too much barbicide, I don't know, but I think that they get dull. I don't like the little film that develops on there. And you'll see in a second what I mean once I show you this rag after having wiped them off on the front and polishing them up. Because there's not just residue from hair. There's also, don't forget, they're sharp, that steel is running together. So there's that buildup to think about as well. My hands are all greasy. But, so I polish them up, right? They look nice and pretty. God help me if I drop it. But look at this. See that? Now my blades are totally clean. Let's go into shears. My blade's away, I'll show you that in a minute. And now, look at this water. My shears are done. So again, lifting up my basket. Allow it to drain just a teeny bit. And I take my shears and I carefully dump them out onto my towel. Look at that. Can you see that down in there? Yep. You saw it before, now you see it after. That's nasty. That's nasty. So now that's off, and I unplug it. I'll let that cool down, and then I will drain that. So shears are going to the tub. Okay, so scissors are out of the barbicide, so I'm going to do exactly what I did to them. You can see I spread them out. You got to be careful because you are remember that you are working with sharp objects. Okay. Yeah, I've got the boo-boo from under it. So I blow them all off. Go through the center. Same thing. I think it's very important to do this. I don't disassemble mine though, because I just got mine all sharpened from Kerrigan. And the tension is all set perfectly, so I don't want to mess with that. Oh yeah. The water and the residues in the barbicide. Okay, y'all. Utsumi Half Moon Comb. Must have for faces, pretty much everything else. Totally worth the investment. It's an investment, okay? I don't think of it as money, I think of it as an investment. This baby is just amazing, all right? And I use it all the time, and I don't have one bent thing on there. And this is my Andis regular, and you can see the top is bent, right? I'm telling you, it's worth it. Hemostat. You can see inside those teeth. Can you? Oh, right there. Jill, focus. Nice and clean. So again, now they're blown off, but I still know that there's gonna be residue. So here is cloth, white, oil, all right? I take the oil, and I think that there's shear oil, but I haven't gotten it yet. It's like one of those things I keep forgetting. So I put a nice drop of shear oil in the hinges, my combs. I don't. Even on my hemostats, they didn't cost anything. But, you know, not like these guys, but, so I put a drop of oil on the hinge. Oops. Sure, you can see my double chin. It's not probably a flattering position. Oh well. So a drop of oil in the hinge of each. All right. And you know I'm using a lot. That's just me. Go big or go home. My combs are done, but here again is the oil spot. Is it? There it is. Here's the oil spot. I'm gonna put a little bit more because it absorbed. Oh, get up. All right. You can see that it's clean, right? Okay. I just want to show you why I do what I do. All right. So these are my beginning shears, the very first pair I ever got. So I wipe down the blades. And they're nice and shiny now. Wipe down the handle. See, nice and clean. Right? Gotta be really careful, okay? You just gotta be careful. These are my 4-inch chunkers from my master blender set from Michelle Worthy. I got them from Loyalty Pet Products. And it's really an amazing set. It really is. And these are my 6-inch. What are these? Wait, these are 7-inch, the pinks. And these are the 6-inch chunkers. These are great around faces on them little doggies or those little tight spots. Right, wipe them down all my blades. This is my chunkers from Joshua Morales, my Maestro set that I also got from Loyalty Pet Products. All right, these are 7.5 inches. These are my straights. Look how pretty they are. They really are very pretty. See the Loyalty little dog signature right in there? Yep. So I know that I've got that oil in the center. These are no names. They're doubles. Okay, again, these are my 8-inch curves, my Show Gear Supreme I got from Groomer's Choice. They helped me a lot when I got set up. And they helped me yesterday too. Here's my thinners from Joshua Morales. All right, and this is 7-inch 440 stainless steel. I'm not sure how many teeth, doesn't say. All right, but let me show you that. I hope you can see. There's a little bit of buildup on the outside here, but when I wipe them down, that goes away because the ultrasonic cleaner has gotten the hair out of the middle. These are my Show Gear 7-inch 54 tooth thinners that I started with. My 7-inch thinners from my Michelle Worthy set from Loyalty Pet Products. You just don't get any cuter than that. Look at that shine, baby. Right? No buildup on them. I can still read the logo. It's great. And these are my 7-inch curves, my Show Gear Supremes. nothing major. My 7.5-inch curves from Joshua Morales. My hemostats. My 7-inch straight show gear Supremes. I got a lot of scissors, a lot of shears, and these babies rock. 8.5-inch. Damn it, I lost my spot. Now how am I going to show you the dirt? There it is. All right, wait till you see this puppy. So I love these, especially for like using them on Aussies and doing those trims, 8.5-inch chunkers from Michelle Worthy. So now I wipe them off. Are you ready? Just after wiping them off. You see that, right? I know you see that. I see it. Yep, that's just from wiping them off. So that's why I wipe them off after. And I lost a couple little finger grips here in my blow drying process or something. So I replaced those. And my spacers. And there's my other orange. All right, so now let's go put all of our things away. Okay, so it's time to put everything away. And you should use the things that come with your gear to protect them, all right? So I do double up in this, my Utsumi half moon comb, my Andis, and my little face comb, all right? All right, this is my case for my Joshua Morales set from Loyalty Pet Products. It's super cute. So I take those bad boys and I always, you know what I use? I use my Andis blade cleaning brush, this guy that you can get from Andis, to, if there's any excess fur in here, I wipe them out. All right, so if I tip my phone at all right now, it's gonna fall. So that's why I'm doing things like this. All right. Sorry, you're looking at my stupid face more than you are my products. All right. Where are you? Ouch, there you are. I'm gonna cut my finger off. My shears, my chunkers. Let me see if I can tip you lower. I know it's gonna fall. I'm gonna be so mad. Something under it. There, that works. Okay. So now you can see me put my stuff away. Okay. And my curves. And yep, I put them all away. Here's my thinners. There. All right, one set down, done. This is my Michelle Worthy set for my beautiful, amazing Master Blender set. Really, you guys, there's nothing like it on the market. It's just so badass. Snap that in. Okay, trying to work fast. I don't want this to be a boring video. Okay, so just remember, you know, you get these protective cases for a reason. They're not just for travel, all right? I'm taking care of my stuff because they are my investment. And this is pretty cool. This is a Loyalty Pet Products shear case, but there's also a section for blades, but I only do that if I'm shipping them off to Kerrigan to get cleaned. So I have a couple of no names that are there, but I put everything else in here. This is my most available. Haven't used those, so I didn't need to clean them. Ouch, did I just cut myself? Damn, they're sharp. Thanks, Garrigan. All right, my curves. My show gear straights. Flip. And then those no-name double chunkers. My show gear. Ow, I did cut myself. Are you kidding? Oh my God. My poor hands. I know you're all like, tell me, girl, preach. Mm-hmm. Damn it. Sorry, I hope y'all don't faint at the sight of blood. And I even put my hemostats in here to protect them. So now everything is as it should be. Close. Zip. And now I feel safe to stack my stuff and put it away. So let's go put it away. And I'll show you how everything came out. All right, so these are my super curves from Loyalty, right? And this is where I keep my stuff on my desk, right next to my clippers. Can you see? Everything's done. All my blades are back in their proper place. All right, and that's how I do it. All right, this is Jilly, your Loyalty Pet Products representative, and for Bow Wow's Dog Services. Now I gotta go tend to my boo-boo. Hydrogen peroxide, Band-Aids. Good God. I actually have a boo-boo kit. I call it the boo-boo kit. And thank you very much for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. I know I look like death right now, but anyway, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and I hope this was helpful. Please, any feedback that you have, leave it in the comments. You know, I'm very open-minded to ways that I can improve, and if there's anything you want to see, you can always feel free to message me, you know, on my Instagram or through my Facebook account. I don't know if you can do it on YouTube. It's one of my first things I'm doing. And so, yeah, next video is going to be about how to change blade drive assembly on my Andis Pulse ZR2. Bye!